the crew heads to a remote, abandoned construction site where they believe House had a creeping, eight-legged entity that carries a house on its back and lures victims by blending into the surroundings has been spotted, helping to capture evidence on camera and uncover its motives. The drone captures a first glimpse of the creature's strange behavior and unsettling movements, prompting Callum, Adam, and Callum's friend to chase deeper into the woods in search of clues, all while speculating about how Househead might lure or trap people. The footage then reveals a troubling pattern. Househead appears to be collecting furniture and other debris, implying that he is building a larger mega house, head from items stolen or gathered from his surroundings. The investigators conclude that the construction site was a staging area for his plan, and that the mega househead could threaten anyone who crosses his path. They follow the trail to a nearby trailer marked Smith's Supplies, realizing that Househead may have moved his operations there to access more materials and potentially trap more victims. As the tension rises, the team formulates a plan to stop the trap by using an air horn to create a loud distraction that might draw people away from the cabin and prevent them from entering Househead's lair. And they prepare to execute their scheme, helping to save potential victims and thwart the towering threat as they head toward the warehouse to implement their plan and rally to awareness in time for the next phase. The plan unfolds as the group executes the distraction, the air horn erupting with a volatile blast that pushes Househead toward the chimney. It had been marked as the critical target. Amid the chaos, voices coordinate the escape route, plotting to funnel the creature away from the cabin and toward the inferno. They're hoping to provoke. The dramatized sequence captures the moment of impact, a fiery plume and a tense scramble as their ambush seems to work, with Callum expressing relief that the shot landed and a wary acknowledgement that they narrowly avoided disaster. As the dust settles, the crew breathlessly confirms the victory. Though the immediate danger has not fully passed, they press on, moving away from the doorway that had been the creature's theater of deception, and exchange quick remarks about what they've just witnessed. The scene shifts to a more mundane note, with a stray birdhouse and a joking remark about a money house, reminding them that the landscape around Househead holds their next steps and inviting audience participation as the B team a playful nod to their crew recruits viewers to join and stay engaged, signaling a transition from pursuit to ongoing community involvement. The energy remains high, the team buoyed by their near miss yet determined to continue the investigation, keeping their focus on the evolving mystery of Househead and its bizarre camouflaging tactics as they prepare to move forward.